Good, how are you?
Y'all stay the night?
Yeah.
Looks like y'all ready.
It's beautiful out.
I bet.
Nice boat.
Thank you. Not mine.
Those are the best kind. Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoor Gear, and we are on another adventure with the IROC Blackfin paddleboard and their cooler and their bag. We're in a beautiful place called Lake Jocassee, and we have a campsite reserved for 3 days, and we're going to camp, cook, and relax in this beautiful lake. Maybe do some swimming. I think the high is going to be right in the 80s, high 80s, low 60s at night. Just perfect weather. It's still spring here in South Carolina. Come paddle with us. We were paddling on Cumberland on the ocean. The waves actually crashed over this each time.
Wow.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
I was just sitting here and they would raise up and then they would crash over top.
Yeah.
And you were saying it was, a bad idea or whatever. I didn't disagree with you. It just sucked to be defeated,
You didn't want to give up, I know.
I would have paid somebody just to drag us over here.
Yeah.
To this day, I have dreams of that.
Well, we can do that trip, but we just have to have our touring kayaks for it.
Yeah, we need the right.
Yeah.
This is not for that type. Your boat was doing fine. You were killing me.
It still would have been hard to get there, even with this.
Yeah.
I was struggling. I was like giving it all I had.
You were so far ahead of me, though.
Yeah. I mean, I would have got there eventually, but it still would have been hard.
Right.
We have to go this way a long time, and we've not moved. What?
Get over there.
Whatever. There's just marsh right there. We've got to go that way. I mean, we can go over there, but we're still going in the same direction. I think we might have to mark this one down as a fail.
Why is that?
We've not moved.
Why is that?
We've not moved. We have a really long way to go and we've not moved.
It would be a lot faster once we get on the canal. Right now we're in big water. It makes it really difficult.
Long way. Long way.
And going upstream or whatever, that wind will be on my back. It's gonna start
No, it's further than that. I mean, it's far. Then we got to cut across into the channel. Maybe. We're going to be going the opposite way, yeah. But you see that? You see the point way down there? Far, like, it's far away. It's not moved, it's still far away. Look at that ridge over there. That drop off?
Yeah.
I know what that is.
Oh no, there's house up there. Or is there? No, that's clay.
There's cliffs.
And a cool lake. Lake Santitla vibe, but Lake Santitla's tighter. You know what I mean? This is more of a bigger lake.
There's a lot more people on this one too.
Yeah.
There's a
It's
lot.
commercialized because Lake Santitla has nothing.
Yeah. You don't have to take the sites at Lake Santitla.
No.
You can't reserve them.
I'm excited about swimming. It gets warm. I don't know what the temperature is. I left my watch.
That's surprising.
Yeah, it was dead, so I was charging it and then getting everything ready. Just out of sight, out of mind.
So these sites, they're not really marked at the water. So we're going to have to go in and find our site.
Love you, babe.
It'd be great in the bays in Florida.
Yeah.
Or like the, clear bottom.
And when you're fishing, I mean, you can see, when I was out there in the ocean, I saw stingrays, whatever.
Yeah, you could see down a different vantage point.
Yeah, and when it came up to the boat, it made me want to move my feet, like it's going to get my foot. You can't bring dogs on this?
You can, but we couldn't have the dog and go out and leave the dog at the cabin and all that. It was that part of it that was the issue. The night before, we stayed in this adorable little cabin in Greenville, South Carolina. We had a lovely dinner at Saffron Indian Cuisine and saw Joe Mackey live at the Comedy Zone. We ended the night with ice cream from Kilwin's. It was our best date ever. Yeah, I think it's this right here sticking out at us here.
You okay?
I'm fine.
It's nasty out here.
The water?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's not litter, it's just stuff.
Yeah.
Like sediment or leaves and gunk.
It's nice, isn't it? They say it's 2 miles. We were in the kayaks. Been there probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We paddled about 7 miles per hour.
I could have probably been there if I was straight paddling, but I'm going slow for you. Yeah.
Super lucky. Good tip, man.
What you doing?
Tap.
Push.
Where that white pole is?
If it looks like there's a campsite up on this hill where the white pole is, then that would be it. Once we get a little bit closer, I'll get my phone out. I've got it marked on my maps, so I should be able to know when we're closer. Get your feet wet?
Yeah. It's gonna be a great swim. Are you feeling a little hungry?
Not really, not yet. I'm sure I will be by the time we get everything off these boats and start getting set up.
Yeah, French toast is not
Not filling.
feeling
You didn't have enough protein.
Is that what it was?
Mm-hmm.
If I
Yep.
get a little bit shaky, I'm 100% can handle everything that we're gonna deal with today.
When we stop, we can get you some snacks or something out if you need
Yeah,
something.
just ask if you were hungry.
Yeah, I'm okay. I've got stuff for quick meals too. I brought like some sandwich meat and those wraps that you had left over.
Nice.
It's over there. That tip be over there.
How did they get up there?
Maybe on the other side. It might be a better place. You want me to go look? You want me to go look? I'm going to scout it out.
You want to take this?
I can walk faster than I can go over
Is
this.
that what you're doing? Is going to walk it? All right. This thing's like gangsta.
I'm doing my flip-flops.
I don't think you brought them, did you?
Oh, yeah, I better have.
Okay.
What would I have done with
Front seat of the car. I didn't know that you wanted to bring them.
Of course I want to bring them. I don't want to wear these the whole time. Definitely a nicer beach. You just want to hang out on the beach for a couple of hours though and swim. The other place is like more like that, but it's like unloading is going to be a breeze there. But this is definitely better cove for swimming. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be sandy past the rocks. We're back.
This is awesome, baby. Are you hot? And go swimming? Oh boy. Oh, that feels nice. Oh man. It is absolutely beautiful out here. A little bit forecasted, these big puffy clouds. Not super hot. It's got a nice little cool breeze to it. I'm sweating a little bit. I think I'm gonna swim, but still, I think it's like 1:30. I think I'm gonna take a little dip before I set up camp. There's no rush. Man, this place is pretty.
You want to put some waters in the cooler? Sure. You want turkey and roast beef, or do you want Indian burritos?
Turkey, you have mayonnaise and mustard? Yes.
Sounds like night already. Just close your eyes.
Put you right to
Makes you
sleep
feel
here.
like it's nighttime.
Your eyes are bloodshot.
Yeah. I could definitely sleep right now. Yeah.
You not want anything underneath right now? Because it's kind of warm.
I'm chilly.
Are
By
you?
the time I get in the water and get back out, I'll be cold.
Edit it out.
You want to try to put it back in the bottle or leave it in the bag?
Probably back in the bottle because I think it might
Leak.
leak. I'm
Yeah.
afraid of that. What you looking for?
Trash bag.
You see a fork or anything in there for both of us? About ready, babe. This is smart. I like this. Mashed potatoes.
There's a fill line in there. So
Yeah,
how much
there's
to
a-
put?
Yep, fill it with hot water or boiling water to the line inside. I like these. Hopefully they stick around for a little bit. Did you have a favorite?
Don't matter, babe.
Okay. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food in Jesus' name. Amen. I got you a knife. I got a little knife right here. Oh. You got a fork. I don't have a fork. Where at? Is the fork?
It was with the plates. Had them both there.
So one fork, one spoon.
No, there was a fork. There were 2 forks. Babe?
What's that, babe?
Brilliant. Better?
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's good. That was so good. Screaming kids. Proud to ever do that.
a lot of people do. And they're out with couples and stuff. And one person falls asleep end up in the video. Well, it didn't have to go in. I'm editing, so. Got a dish floating away, babe. Go ahead.
Get the hammer back. That's it. I like this thing. Get it to face that way a little bit.